Hello, and welcome to Arches National Park. Truly one of our nation's treasures, Arches National Park is located in southern Utah. Here, you can do anything from walk, bike, hike, or simply commune with nature and enjoy the company of our friends in the animal kingdom. And it's also a great place to party. But Arches is home to more than just partying. It's home to more than 1 million natural bridges arches, more than anywhere else in the world. It is also home to more than 1 million native plants and animals, like this tree. So come on, let's go take a look. Time for parkour. Well, that's all the time we have for today, but I've learned something today about our nature and Arches National Park. It's a place to go to see plants and animals in their natural habitat, undisturbed by human hands. A place to go to catch up on our nation's history and learn a bit about ourselves, and a place to broaden our horizons and meet people from around the globe. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time on Matt's Awesome Nature Show.